Hello together, my name is Thorsten Stein and I'm the Department Manager of Hemming Technologies in our company FFT. Today I want to introduce to you our FFThemtec Roller Cleaner system. In most hemming processes, glue is applied for corrosion protection. If glue is pressed out of the end of the hemming flange, the hemming roll gets contaminated. To minimize manual maintenance for cleaning the station, we have developed and approved the FFThemtec Roller Cleaner. The system is successfully running in more than 600 roller hemming stations around the world for more than 15 years. The FFThemtec Roller Cleaner automatically cleans contaminated hemming rollers without interrupting the automated production process. The modular design of the system creates a large variety of different configurations to find the best fitting solution to our customer demands. The FFT roller hemming tools and hemming tools from other suppliers can be cleaned from our system. Depending on the roller geometry, a specially designed scraper will be manufactured. The FFThemtec Roller Cleaner features optimized hemming quality to continuously clean rollers. No manual cleaning process is required, no interruption to the automatic process, and minimized space requirements in the production cell. To start the cleaning process, the robot aligns the hemming roll in front of the device. Spring-loaded pins on the drive element connect the hemming roll to the system. The electric motor starts rotating and the roll rotates also. Scrapers move out and remove the sticking glue. Finally, the hemming rolls are coated with a minimum amount of oil. Do you have special use cases or individual requirements? Do not hesitate to contact us. We are also providing individual solutions and can bring in our long-time experience to find the best fitting hemming process to your demands. Feel free to visit our website to have a look at all our other FFT products. Thank you very much for your interest in our product. We are looking forward to get in contact with you.